Polk Command Bar. It's the voice-enabled soundbar with Amazon Alexa built in. Adjust volume, stream music, control smart home devices, and more.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Just ask.
Alexa, play the movie.
Connect your Fire TV and queue up your next binge. Your entertainment at your command. Performance-tuned drivers and a wireless subwoofer elevates all of your home theater.
Alexa, set bass to maximum.
Customize voice levels for crisp, clear dialogue with Polk Voice Adjust technology. Works with 4K and HD TVs for ultra-detailed picture quality.
Alexa, play music.
Easily stream your favorite music services with rich, accurate sound. Includes optical and HDMI cables for easy setup. Your voice, Amazon Alexa, Polk Sound, together.
Taxi!
How can you make your home theater viewing experience any better? By making it amazing to see and amazing to hear. Introducing soundbars and sound stands by Vizio. We created Vizio soundbars and sound stands to complement your viewing experience in any room in your home. Starting from a simple 2-channel audio upgrade, or a 3-channel soundbar solution with enhanced dialogue clarity, all the way up to a full 5.1 surround sound system with wireless subwoofer and rear satellite speakers for a complete audio immersion deep dive. We equip them with enhanced bass so you can truly feel the action, DTS and Dolby for richer sounds, and Bluetooth connectivity for wireless streaming of your favorite content. We powered them to produce crystal clear audio with enhanced volumes that reach to near a rock concert level, all the way down to the floor-shaking lows of the biggest thunderous explosions. And of course, we designed each soundbar model to be smart, simple, and easy to set up, with all the hardware and cables you need to go from box to performance in time for the show to start. Soundbars and sound stands by Vizio. Turn your TV into a home theater experience. Vizio, America's #1 soundbar company.